Best Pedicure Tools Set. Number 5. In the traditional 12-in-1 professional manicure pedicure kit. Approx price 299 rupees. 12 pieces manicure pedicure set. Made up of high quality stainless steel. Designer leather case for easy and safe storage. Multi-purpose tools. Number 4. Do cost 12-in-1 stainless steel professional manicure pedicure set. Approx price 499 rupees. Made of high quality stainless steel. Higher strength and hardness, sharp and durable. Travel portable PU leather case. Superior quality stainless steel with sufficiently sharp blades. Number 3. Beauty Secrets 15-piece nail clippers set. Approx price 449 rupees. 15-piece manicure kit. Multiple function 15-in-1 grooming kit. Black polishing anti-skid technology. High quality stainless steel makes. Very strong and durable. Beautiful and stylish case. Number 2. Beauty Secrets stainless steel nail clipper set. Approx price 549 rupees. 15-piece manicure pedicure kit. Multiple functional. These manicure pedicure sets are made of top high steel. Number 1. Huda Beauty Manicure Pedicure 16 Tools Set. Approx price 299 rupees. Made of high quality stainless steel. It is professional multifunction nail care kit. Portable PU holster that can be easily opened with the push of a button. Easy to carry. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.